Good evening, ma'am. Ma'am, good evening, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, children.
Good evening, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Fine, ma'am.
Nice to see you all. Hmm? Adya, turn on your video. Neha. Yes. Great. Okay, so let's do some more practice of mensuration questions so that you have for this weekend your mensuration test, right? Yes. And is everything going fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Are you able to understand whatever we are doing in the class?
Yes, ma'am.
Sure.
Yes, ma'am.
Show me thumbs up. Great. So you're understanding area and perimeter questions. And what about some twisted questions to find the cost, to find, when different um, multiple hexagons are joined together, we did such type of questions. You're able to do that? Okay, so we'll do more type of questions, okay? In different situations. Okay, so be ready with your pen, paper, notebook. Let's start and do your test nicely. And everyone must upload the test in the PDF form. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Everyone does so. Okay? But Trilokya, you are writing the test for the first time, the subjective test. So scan it and then upload in PDF form. Okay, beta? And you will find the test under the content section. Okay? Under the content, under assessment. Right?
Yes.
When you open WiseApp, you will get to see the content section there. And when you click on the content, you will go to the assessment. And in the assessment with today's date, tomorrow's date, Sunday's date, you will have your test. Okay?
Okay.
Adya?
Okay, ma'am.
Adya?
Yes, ma'am.
You should also give the test, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Under content, under assessment. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
When you go to the content, you will get to see the assessment. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Click the assessment and then start doing the test.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Let's do some more practice sounds. More and more practice will make us thorough with this topic. Okay, let's take up a sum. Mm, 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 mm. Yes. Okay, beta, let's do. Okay, Bhavesh is here today. Hello, Bhavesh, how are you?
Fine, ma'am. How are you?
I'm good. Where were you all these days?
Ma'am, model exam.
Oral exams only.
Ma'am,
Okay.
model exams.
Model.
Yes, ma'am.
What is that? Model exams?
Ma'am, another exam.
Okay.
It comes before periodic test too.
Okay. It comes before the periodic test.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Bhavesh,
Yes, ma'am.
how was your exam?
Fine, ma'am.
All the papers went off well?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What was asked in maths exam?
The maths exam is not done.
Why?
They're doing revisions of English now. They're going to do
Okay.
maths at the last.
Okay. But you said the exams were going on, model exams.
Then I sent a timetable, ma'am, to Manisha, ma'am.
No, no. I'm asking. Your exams aren't over yet?
No, ma'am.
Okay, your exams are going on still.
Yes, ma'am.
And what timetable you have sent?
Ma'am, I sent her the timetable of model exams.
Okay. For the preparation of that, you want that those topics should be taken up in the classes.
I think, ma'am, but Manisha, ma'am, told to send those.
Okay. So which topics are coming in maths?
Ma'am, I sent NCERT chapter 1 to 6.
Chapters 1 to 6. Okay. So I think we have done all the first 6 chapters, right? Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Bhavesh? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So please practice. Anything you want help from me, tell me. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, children, see the question. Length of a rectangular field is 250 meter and width is 150 meter. Anuradha, there is a girl whose name is Anuradha, runs around this field. You can please write down the question. Runs around the field 3 times. Now she runs around this whole field 3 times. She takes 3 rounds of the field. How far did she run? Okay. How far did she run? How many times? How many times she should run around the field? How many times she should run around the field to cover the distance of to cover a distance of 4 kilometers. Now see, this question is not a direct one. Okay, see, in this question, two things are asked. The length, the dimensions of the rectangular field is given to you. Okay, just understand the question first and then read. Anuradha runs around the field 3 times. Now this is the field, right? I'm just making a rough diagram here. 250 meters, 150 meters is the width. Okay, she takes 3 rounds of this shape. How far did she run? That means in 3 rounds, how much distance she has covered. Okay, first thing that you have to find out how much distance she has covered. And the second thing you have to find is how many times she should run around the field to cover a distance of 4 kilometers. Now, if she has to cover 4 kilometers, then how many rounds of this she will have to take? Okay, you understood the question?
Yes, ma'am.
Two things are asked. Okay, first of all, in making 3 rounds, how much distance she covered? And if she has to cover 4 kilometers distance, then how many rounds she will have to take? Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
so what will you do in the first case?
Ma'am, can I?
First, what will you find out?
Ma'am, perimeter of the rectangle.
Yes, when she
Ma'am,
has to
perimeter.
run, yes, very good. When she has to run around the field, that means you have to find the perimeter. So quickly find the perimeter.
Ma'am, I found it.
Yes. Quickly, everyone must find the perimeter. So perimeter of the rectangular field will be given by 2 into length plus breadth.
Ma'am, I got the answer.
Very good. So put the values of length and breadth here. Okay, Adya, what is the perimeter? Yes, Adya.
Ma'am, 800.
Okay, good. Which is 800 meters. Okay. Now, what we are asked to do, Anuradha runs around the field 3 times. So, if she has taken 3 rounds of this field, that means how much distance will she cover? Yes, Trilokya, tell me how much distance will she cover in 3 rounds?
Ma'am, we should multiply perimeter by 3,
Yes. Yes, beta. Yes, good.
which is 2,400 meters.
Okay, good. In 3 rounds. So that will be 3 into the perimeter, which is equal to 2,400 meters. Okay, now Neha, you will tell me how many rounds will she take if she has to cover 4 kilometers distance?
Ma'am, for this, we need to multiply the perimeter by multiplied by 5, which is 800 multiplied by 5.
No, it's asking how many rounds she has to take.
Oh,
Number of rounds.
yeah. So you need to divide 4 kilometers, which is 400 meters,
Okay.
by 5.
By
By the perimeter, 800 meters.
Okay, now see. Yes, that's correct, beta, but not 400. It's 4,000. Okay, because this is 4 kilometers. Right, children? Are you understanding?
Yes.
Because she has to cover 4 kilometers distance. 4 kilometers means 4,000 meters. So to cover 4,000 meters, how many rounds she has to take? So that means one round is for 800 meters, no? So that means 4,000 by 800. One perimeter, if she runs, takes one round, she will cover 800 meters, right? So 4,000 meters upon 800 meters. That will give you like this. Two zeros will cancel. 8 ones are, 8 fives are is 40. So you will get 5 rounds. Okay.
Mom, I also got the same answer.
Very good. Okay. Everybody understood this part?
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Bhavesh? Hello, Bhavesh. Did you understand this?
Ma'am. No, ma'am.
No? Okay. Today, all these days you were absent also. So please go through the previous videos. Okay, Bhavesh?
Okay, ma'am.
So I'll just explain you this part now. But then after the class, you must go through all the videos. And if you have any doubts, then you should ask me. See here, Bhavesh, in the question it was given the length and breadth of the rectangular field is given to us. So this is the rectangular field we have made a picture here. The length is given as 250, the breadth is given as 150 meters, right? Okay. Now Anuradha runs around this field 3 times. Now Anuradha takes 3 rounds of this field. So that means what will you do? Taking 1 round of the field means what will you find out first?
Perimeter.
Yes. Perimeter. And if she is taking 3 rounds of the field, that means what will you do?
And we'll multiply 3 into the perimeter.
You will multiply 3 with the perimeter so that she is how much distance she will travel in 3 rounds. Okay. Now the question is asking if she has to cover a distance of 4 kilometers and that 4 kilometer will be covered in how many rounds? In that case, what will you do? So in that case, see, this is 4 kilometer. First, we will convert this to meters because everything is given in meters,
Yes,
right?
ma'am.
So 4,000 meters, when you divide it with the perimeter, perimeter, you will get 5 rounds. Okay. How? See, in 1 round, she is covering 800 meters. In 1 round, she is covering 800 meters. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. In 5 rounds, she will cover how many meters? 5 into 800.
Yes, ma'am.
That will be 4,000 meters.
Yes, ma'am.
So this is what we have done. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Understood this? So
Yes, ma'am.
because it was given to us number of rounds to cover 4 kilometers and 4,000 meters, I divided it by the perimeter. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
I got 5 rounds.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So please see the videos, okay? Whatever classwork we have done while you were absent, so please go through that.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, let's take another question. Okay, 3 squares are joined together. Means squares. Yesterday we did such type of question with hexagons, no? Yes, children, you remember?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
3 squares are joined together. Okay, I'll make the figure also. Their sides are 4 centimeter. Now those 3 squares have their sides as 4 centimeter, 10 centimeter, and 3 centimeters. Okay. Find the perimeter of the figure. Find the perimeter of the figure. Now the figure is given like this. This is some square. The base is given like this. This is 4 centimeters square. This is 10 centimeters square. And this one is 3 centimeters square. Okay. So three squares are joined together. Their sides are 4, 10, and we find the perimeter of the figure. So you have to find the perimeter of this figure. Please do find out. This is same like what we did yesterday. What will you do first? First, write all the dimensions of the sides that are involved in the perimeter. So to find the perimeter, what will you do? You will take the length of this side, this side, this side, this side, this side, this side, and this side, and this side also. Okay. So you will take the sum of all outer sides.
Mama, found the perimeter.
Okay, what is the perimeter, Neha?
Mama, got 54 centimeters.
54 centimeters. Okay, let me check with others also. Let everyone do. Okay. Yes, hurry up, children. Quickly give the answer. Hurry up. Trilokya, what is the answer?
Ma'am, I got 53 centimeters.
53. Okay, check again. Neha got 54. Please check.
Okay.
Neha, you should also check yours. Check your calculation again.
Okay.
Okay, I have given names to each vertex. A, B, C, D, E, F, all the outer sides. Right? So sum of all outer sides is AB plus BC plus CD plus EF plus FG plus GH plus HI plus IJ plus JA. Okay. So this distance is, this is a 4 centimeter square. So I'm writing 4, 4. Okay. Now this is 10 centimeters square. No? So out of 10 centimeters, this 4 is taken inside. So that means how much is left out? 6. Okay. Then 10. Then again 6 here. And this is 3 centimeters square. So this is 3, 3. And this of course will be. Okay. So this is
54 again.
54 only.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, let's take 4 plus, see this, 4, 4, 4. Okay, 3 times 4, 4, 4. Okay, then 6, 10, 6. Okay, then 6, 10, 6. Okay, then 3, 3, 3. Okay, 3, 3, and 3. Right? Then 10 plus 10. Okay, so this is how much? Just let's count. 4, 4, 4 3 is 12. This is 12 and 10 is 22. This is 9, 10, 19. So this is how much? 9 plus 4 is 13. Coming 13 only. 9 plus 4 is 13. This is 5, 53. Coming 53.
Ma'am, I also got the 53, ma'am.
1 second, 1 second. No, it's not 53, it's 54. Why? Because, look here. This is not 6, this is 7. Because this was 10, no? This side is from E to I. This is 10 centimeters. So when you have subtracted 3 from here, so that means 7 is left, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, this is 7, not 6. Okay, so this will be 23. So this will be
Ma'am, I didn't understand.
54 centimeters. See here, I'll make a bigger figure here. See, this is the shape given. This is 4 centimeters square, right? This is 10 centimeters square. This
Yes,
is
ma'am.
3 centimeters square. You understood this part?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so this is 4. That means this is also 4. This is also 4. Yes. And this distance, this whole distance is 10 centimeters square. And out of which, if you subtract 4 centimeters, this part, if you subtract this much part, so 6 is left. 10 minus 4, 6 is left.
Yes, ma'am.
10 minus 4, you get 6. This is again 10 centimeters. Now this side is again 10 centimeters. And if you subtract 3 centimeters from here, this will be 7 centimeters. Okay,
Yes,
this
ma'am.
much will be 7 centimeters. And this is again 3 centimeters square. Right?
Ma'am, yes.
So that means when you add all this, 4 plus 4 plus 4, 4 3s is 12. Then when you add this 6, 10 and 7, so that means 6 plus 7 is 13. 13 plus 10 is 23.
Okay, ma'am.
Then 3 plus 3 plus 3 is 9. 9 plus this part, 10. So 9 plus 10 will be 19. Okay, and when you add all this, so this will be 4, 14,
Okay, ma'am.
53. Okay, so hence we got 54 centimeter as the perimeter. You understood this much part?
Yes, ma'am.
Children?
Yes,
Yes, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So be careful when you are doing it. Okay? Okay. Let's take another question. This is question number, which question number? That's 3. Question number 3 now. Okay. Please write down the question. The lawn in front of Molly's house, the lawn in front of Molly's house. Molly is somebody's name. The lawn in front of Molly's house. Lawn means the garden in front of Molly's house is 12 meter by 8 meters. See, it is written cross here, 12 meter into 8 meter. It means 12 meter is the length and 8 meter is the breadth. So it's given 12 meter by 8 meters. So, okay, these are the dimensions of the lawn. Okay, whereas, so it's comparing with something else. Whereas the lawn in front of Dolly's house is 15 meter by 5 meter. Okay, the two lawns are given, the dimensions. Okay, what are we asked to find out? A bamboo fencing is built around the lawn. Okay, the bamboo fencing. The bamboo fencing is built around the lawn. Okay, so that means there is a bamboo fencing around the lawn. How much fencing is required for both? How much fencing is required for both? So this you have to find out. So that means these two gardens have to be fenced. Okay. So how much fencing is required to fence both the lawns? This is 15 by 5. So what will you do?
Ma'am, first we have to find the perimeter.
Very good. So this is lawn of Molly's house. This is lawn of Dolly's house. Right? So first you will find the perimeter of Molly's house and the perimeter of Dolly's house. Not house, the lawn. Okay? And then you will add them. So you'll get the total fencing required. Quickly do. You'll get the total perimeter of the both lawns.
Ma'am, I found the perimeters.
You found the perimeters? Okay. So perimeter of Molly's lawn. So the children, I'm just writing in short, M for Molly and this L is for lawn.
I also got the answer, ma'am.
Molly's lawn. Okay.
Ma'am, I also got.
Very good, beta. Perimeter of Molly's lawn. Yes, Bhavesh, how much is the perimeter?
Ma'am, 96 meters.
For Molly's lawn. Perimeter. Not the area, perimeter. How do you find the perimeter?
I'm 2 into L plus
2
B.
into length
L plus B.
breadth. So length and breadth are 2 into 12 plus 8. So that will be
20.
2 into 20. So it will be 40 meters. Okay. Okay,
Yes.
I think you have found the area. Don't
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Next, Adya, you tell me lawn, perimeter of Dolly's lawn. Yes, Adya.
Ma'am, 2 into L plus B.
Yes, how much is that?
2 into 15 plus 5 is equals to 2 into 20 is equals to 40 meters.
Very good. Okay, Trilokya, tell me how much is the total perimeter required for both lawns?
Ma'am, 80 meters.
80 meters. Okay, so that is total bamboo fencing required. Yes, we are asked to find the fencing, no? Total bamboo fencing required is equal to 40 meter plus 40 meter. Right? This is Dolly's lawn plus Molly's lawn. So that is 80 meters. Right, children?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Good. Okay, let's take up another question, number 4. Okay. Okay, the class time is almost getting over. So just note down the question. Even if the class gets over, you can continue with the question. Okay. Total, just write down. Total cost of fencing. Or just take this question for homework, write for homework. Total cost of fencing the park is rupees 55,000. Okay. Find the cost of fencing per meter. Find the cost of fencing per meter. Okay.
Ma'am, you need to give the fencing.
Yes.
Meters.
So yes, I'm giving you the park. The shape of the park is somewhat like this given. Okay, it's like this. Please note down. This side is 270 meters. This is 180 meters. This part is 120 meters. And this side is 100 meters. This is 150 meters. And this side is 280 meters. Okay. Total cost
Okay, ma'am.
fencing the park is given to you 55,000. Find the cost of fencing per meter. So when fencing is required means you have to find the perimeter. Will you do that? Take this question for homework. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Have all noted down the question?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, children, thank you for joining. I hope you have understood whatever questions we did today.
Ma'am, can you show the diagram?
Okay, this is the diagram.
Done, ma'am.
Okay, done. Okay, children, thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Have
Bye
a nice
then.
day.
Thank you. You too. Bye-bye.